Welcome to the 7 Secrets to Essential Speaking. Find your voice, change your life. I will be sharing secret number 2 with you. It is be present. How does being present affect you when you're out there speaking in public? Well, being present helps you remember to be here now. The whole idea is to be heard now, you have to be here now. What happens with people is that they have, usually it seems like the people I work with have had some kind of past trauma or some kind of difficulty when they first stood up in front of people, or maybe even it goes way, way back, like in childhood when they were in school, doing a presentation and flubbed it, and the teacher had their hands on their hips and was kind of scolding and judgmental, and then the children bullied them. So this past that you bring with you to the present can interfere. That's why we have to learn how to really be in this lane of presence, here, now. The other way in which presence gets interfered with is thinking of the future, and it's called anxiety, right? You're anxious about something that you are going to be doing in the future, which is either on a stage or giving a presentation or speaking up at a meeting. You look at yourself into the future and you're taking yourself to a whole new event that isn't even here yet. So bringing yourself back to the here and now will increase your confidence, because you'll be, like I shared in secret number 1, you'll be connected, you'll be grounded, you'll be here in stillness, which is foundational, and your words will flow up with the intention of reaching your listeners in an easy sort of way because you're relaxed. Presence, there's no room for fear in presence, right?